the topic area. So, what is area? Any object or anything that occupies space, and the occupied space is known as area. Here I am keeping my duster on my hand. The amount of space the duster is occupying on my hand is the area occupied by the duster. Means simply area is nothing but the space occupied by any object or a thing is known as area. Today we are going to discuss about two things. One, area of square. Second, area of rectangle. So today we are going to discuss about square, area of square, area of square. Now first let me draw the square diagram. This is a square. This is a square. Now how can you say that this is a square? How can you say that this is a square? See, a square is a kind of an object that have all the sides same. Means the distance from this side to this side will be same. The distance from this side to this side, this side to this side, and this side. Means all the sides of the same will be same. If this is 5 centimeter, this one will be 5 centimeter, this one will be 5 centimeter, and this one will be 5 centimeter. Means a square is a kind of an object that have all the four sides same. And if I ask you to find the area of a square, how will you do? Area of a square, area of a square equal to, there is a formula which you should remember. The area of a square is nothing but side into side. The area of a square is nothing but side into side. It means here the side is 5, one more side is also 5. The area of a square is 25. If it is meter, then it will be meter square, or else if it will be in centimeter, it will be in centimeter square. So remember, a square has all the four sides same. A square has all the four sides same. Means whatever this side distance will be the same, this side distance will be the same, this side distance will be the same, this side distance. Imagine imagine I am drawing a square over here. Imagine I am drawing a square over here. If this side is 10 centimeter, this one will be 10 centimeter, this one will be 10 centimeter, and this one will also be 10 centimeter. I mean to say, a square having all the sides same, that is known as a square. Now if someone will ask you to find the area of a square, if someone will ask you to find the area of a square, then remember the area of a square formula. The area of a square is side into side. Area of a square is side into side. Area of a square is side into side. Now what is the side? The distance from this side to this side, or this side to this side, or this one or this one, whatever side you can take, because all the sides are having same. So you are taking side into side, and what is coming? 25 centimeter square. Understood? So now we are going to discuss about area of a rectangle. So I have made a rectangle shape here. This is a rectangle, and in a rectangle what you can notice? You can notice this side and this side will be same, and this side and this side will be same. In a rectangle, the opposite sides will be same, and this one will be known as breadth, and this one will be known as length. The longer one will be known as length, and the shorter one will be known as the breadth. And now the area of a rectangle formula. Now the area of a rectangle formula. What is the area of a rectangle formula? Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth. Imagine here a question is there. I made a rectangle like this. This is 10 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. So if this is 10 centimeter, then this one will be, as I said, this one will be same. Then if this is 10 centimeter, this one will also be 10 centimeter. As I said, this one and this one is same. If this is 5 centimeter, this one will also be 5 centimeter. So as I said, area of rectangle called L into B. What is L? L is 10 centimeter. What is B? B is 5 centimeter. So 10 into 5, 50 centimeter square. 50 centimeter square. I hope guys you all understood what is area of square and what is area of rectangle. If you are having any doubt, just comment me. I'm going to reply all your doubts in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.